Mix toothpaste with white vinegar, and the final result will surprise you. Although these two products are not usually used together, it turns out they can work wonders. Prepare a glass container. Pour 100 milliliters of vinegar into it. It is an effective agent for removing limescale and other mineral deposits. Vinegar is often used to neutralize unpleasant odors. It has antibacterial and antifungal properties. Add 2 tablespoons of salt. It can be used to absorb stains. It disinfects and cleans surfaces. Salt can act as a deodorizing agent and absorb bad smells. Squeeze about 5 centimeters of toothpaste into the mixture. It has polishing, shining, and stain-removing properties. Mix everything very thoroughly. Prepare a spray bottle. Pour the liquid into it using a funnel. This prepared liquid takes cleaning to a whole new level. It handles the toughest dirt. Limescale comes off without scrubbing. It removes stubborn stains and persistent odors. It's great, for example, for disinfecting the toilet bowl. It's worth keeping a bottle like this next to the kitchen sink. Washing burnt pots and pans will be child's play. Apply this homemade paste to your underarms. You'll get rid of that annoying problem without a visit to the beautician. You take care of and shave your underarms regularly, but still feel embarrassed to wear a tank top? This simple method will help you get rid of dark spots and red bumps. You'll be able to feel comfortable in any situation. Here are 2 methods that will give you confidence. Pour a tablespoon of sugar into a bowl. It has exfoliating properties and will effectively help remove dead skin. Next, squeeze the juice of a lime. This citrus fruit has a great effect on the skin. It contains a large amount of vitamin C, and you probably already know how good that is for your skin. This vitamin helps to brighten the skin and reduce discoloration. Add a tablespoon of body lotion or hand cream to the bowl. It's best if it has moisturizing and skin-repairing properties. Mix everything thoroughly. The mixture should become a uniform mass in both color and texture. Apply it to your underarms. The skin in this area is often darker and has many discolorations from deodorant use. Frequent shaving can also cause bumps and inflammation. Leave the paste on for 10 minutes. Rinse it off with a damp towel. You'll immediately notice that your skin looks brighter, and the redness disappears. The second paste recipe is just as simple. Prepare dry rice. Grind it using a grinder until it turns into a fine flour. Rice has skin softening, regenerating, antioxidant, and smoothing properties. It also contains vitamin E, which improves skin hydration and boosts microcirculation. Pour a tablespoon of ground rice into a bowl. Add a tablespoon of baking soda. It has drying and exfoliating effects. Then add 2 tablespoons of milk. Mix thoroughly into a smooth paste. Apply the paste to the discolored skin under your arms. Wait a few minutes. Once it dries, rinse it off with lukewarm water. It has a brightening effect. It gently exfoliates the skin and removes dark spots. The underarm skin will match the tone of the rest of your body. Don't use a foot file. This toothpaste trick softens heels, removes calluses and dry skin, leaving your feet as smooth as a baby's. All you need is regular toothpaste. Squeeze a tablespoon into a small bowl. It has antibacterial properties, soothes inflammation, and dries out skin issues. Add a tablespoon of white sugar for gentle exfoliation. The sugar crystals will help remove dead skin while being delicate on your feet. Next, mix in a tablespoon of olive oil for hydration and regeneration. Stir everything well until you get a scrub-like paste. Apply the paste with a toothbrush using circular motions on your heels, soles, and any calluses. The brush not only removes dry skin, but also massages the feet, improving circulation. Make sure to cover the entire foot, then wrap it in aluminum foil. Press the foil gently to fit snugly against the skin and leave it on for 20 minutes. This boosts the paste's effect and keeps things clean. When time's up, remove the foil and wipe your feet with a damp towel in circular motions, pressing lightly to remove the paste and dead skin. The results are amazing. Soft, smooth feet with no trace of dryness. No more foot files. Doing this once every 2 weeks will completely transform your skin, making even the roughest heels feel soft and cushiony. Put toothpaste on your nose and see what happens. You've got to try this unusual trick. Let me walk you through this step by step. A lot of people don't know about this surprising use for toothpaste, but once you try it, you'll thank me. Before I show you why you should put toothpaste on your nose, pay close attention. I've got a few other powerful household hacks using toothpaste that you'll definitely want to try. Hack 1. Eliminate odors from plastic containers. Ever notice how food containers still smell bad even after washing them? That odor sticks to the plastic and makes using them unpleasant. Here's what to do. Squeeze a small amount of toothpaste into the container, add a bit of water, and stir or shake for a minute. Then wash it like normal. The odor will disappear, and the container won't feel greasy anymore. Hack 2. Natural cockroach repellent. Got cockroaches? You can make a natural cockroach remedy using toothpaste. Just mix some toothpaste with half a teaspoon of baking soda and half a cup of milk. Stir it well and place the mixture where cockroaches usually appear. Within hours, they'll be gone. Hack 3. Clean refrigerator gaskets. Start by dampening the fridge gaskets. Then put a bit of toothpaste on an old toothbrush and scrub along the rubber seal. Let it sit for 5 minutes, then wipe it clean with a damp cloth. The gasket will look brand new. Now that you've seen a few powerful uses for toothpaste around the house, it's time to show you why applying it to your nose actually works. Toothpaste trick for blackheads. Blackheads form when your pores get clogged with oil and dead skin. Toothpaste can help clear them out. First, place a warm, damp cotton pad on your nose for about 4 minutes to open up the pores. Then apply a small amount of toothpaste to a toothbrush and gently brush the area with blackheads for about 20 seconds. Leave the toothpaste on for another minute, then rinse it off with cold water. You'll see the blackheads disappear and your skin will feel fresh and clean. This trick is a game changer for anyone struggling with blackheads and oily skin. Apply toothpaste on your nails. You'll be pleasantly surprised by the effect. It's a method for healthy and strong nails, both on your hands and feet. Toothpaste will brighten the nail plate and remove discoloration from nail polish. But that's not all. Mix the toothpaste with another product for an even better effect. Prepare salt and pour 1 tablespoon into a container. Salt contains many trace elements that strengthen the nail plate and accelerate its growth. Add 1 tablespoon of toothpaste to the salt. In addition to removing discoloration, toothpaste has antibacterial properties. Pour 1 tablespoon of warm coconut oil, you can also use olive oil, into the mixture. The oil will nourish and moisturize the nails and the skin around the nails. The final ingredient is 1 tablespoon of warm water. Mix all the ingredients into a uniform mass. Welcome to my website. How do you take care of your nails? Let me know which city or country you're watching from. If your nails are in poor condition, apply the mixture daily for a few days. Gently rub and massage the nail plate. This will help remove impurities and eliminate bacteria and microorganisms that can accumulate under the nails. Leave the conditioner on for 10 minutes. After this time, you will see the effects of this extraordinary mask. Perform such treatments regularly. Repeat them after a few days' break. Your nails will become stronger. They won't break easily. Stains, discoloration, and signs of fungal infection will disappear. This is one of those methods that are not expensive, but effective. Good luck.